We can start, ma'am.
Yes, chef. Shall I start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. My dear principals, students, and my colleagues, we have logged in here for the installation of Student Council 2020. This is a very important event in any college, as it is here that we entrust faith and hope in the newly appointed council. Every student who obtained leadership role feels proud as well as sense of responsibility to be leaders in making for tomorrow. We shall begin this program by invoking the blessings of Almighty. I request Mr. Prithvi Roy to play the invocation song.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि.
The purpose of Student Council is to promote mutual contact and a spirit of oneness among the students of Welcome Group Graduate School of Hotel Administration. It plays a vital role in promoting harmonious relation with all sections of the student community. The Student Council of 2019 was forced to abruptly end its activities due to the current situation. We would love to hear their experiences during their stint at the Student Council. I request the President and Vice President of BHM and BACA to say a few words. I would like to invite Ms. Preetika Karnik, President of BHM Student Council, to say a few words. Over to you, Preetika.
Thank you, Srilata ma'am. I'm quite happy to technically be up here again and speak to all of you one last time as a president. Speaking of, we had many one last times planned for this semester, but this year took a route of its own. We got our final marks, we made a yearbook, we got our provisional degrees, yet it still doesn't feel like I've graduated. This year showed us even more that no matter how hard you try and how much you plan, nothing is set in stone. And it's actually very impressive how quickly all of us adapted to this staying inside and working online atmosphere. Anyway, I feel like I've learned a lifetime's worth of things about myself and the world from my time in Vagsha, the Student Council, and Manipal as a whole. And I could go on forever about this, but among the most important things has been learning to be intuitive, learning to be adaptable, and most important for me has been learning to be empathetic. Now, this is something college tries to teach us as well, and I think it's such a great asset that's inculcated in us from the beginning. And one of the reasons I slowly fell in love with the concept of hospitality being a part of my career is that most of the skills you learn professionally can be applied to real life, whether it's punctuality or having an eye for detail, or if it's just being a good person to someone else. And providing warmth, no judgment, and being welcoming, that's what hospitality is about, and that's what I love about it. Now, before the first year of college and throughout school, I never really put myself out there or stepped out of my comfort zone. And when I decided it was time for a change, I knew that being a part of Student Council would help me in that change. And I'm going to stop myself here because I always have too much to say. And the reason for that is I've genuinely learned so much and I've had such incredible experiences. And I want my experiences to help yours be fruitful. At the same time, I know each Vagshite is capable of navigating through life in the best ways. and I wish the absolute best for the current student council team. We all know the student body is in very capable hands. The world keeps throwing new challenges, but I know this team will be ahead of the curve every time. I hope the previous student council team has inspired the current team. And I hope that from the experiences we've had together and the values we've learned together, those can be passed down from one course to another. And to the newly admitted first year students, my ultimate hope for you is that you will have the same amazing experiences we've had in Manipal very soon. I hope this new mode of working online doesn't come in between your learning. But until then, all the very best of luck. I want to say thank you and give you all big hugs for giving me this opportunity to call myself your president. So thank you very much.
Thank you, Pritika. May I invite Ms. Shruti Shenoy, President of Baka Students Council, to share her experiences.
Thank you, Srilata ma'am. Okay, good afternoon, Principal, Vice Principal, faculty, and my dear friends. First, I would like to say thank you for giving me the opportunity to address this audience as the former Student Council President of the Department of Culinary Arts. About a year ago, I was honored to be elected for the post of president, and to be very honest, I had no idea as to what would come my way. Apart from my duties at Vagsha, I had additional responsibilities, and sometimes balancing the two meant sacrificing time that I could spend with my loved ones. The initial struggle was difficult, but although with time came the ability to balance everything as well as some extra time for self-development. The post has put me in positions where I have had no option but to deal with my fear, whether if it was public speaking or even being scolded in front of a large group of people. I have made mistakes, I have learned from them. I have faced my fair share of challenges, but with the help of my friends and faculty, I have overcome these hurdles. All these experiences have molded me to become a more responsible and dependable person, and I cannot thank you all enough for giving me this position. Someone once said there is no such thing as a self-made man. You will reach your goals only with the help of others. This is the quote I chose to mention in my speech last year, and every day I am reminded of it because I was blessed to work with some of the most talented and dedicated people that our college had to offer. The Student Council of 2019-2020 worked extremely hard to make college a much better experience for all of us. They stayed back extra hours to make sure events went smoothly and woke up extremely early in the morning to check if you shaved or not. At some instances, their hard work had gone by unnoticed and underappreciated by their peers. And I would like to take this opportunity to say that I am grateful to have worked with you and your efforts weren't in vain. I'm extremely excited to see where this dedication and motivation you have is going to take you in your life. Our greatest treasure, our faculty, have taken great pains to make our college a better institution for all of us, and we can't wait to go out into the real world and make you proud. We cherish the moments we have spent with you, whether if it was sitting in your cabin and telling you how awful our day was, or if it was getting scolded for secretly eating vada pav in class. I would like to thank the non-teaching staff for all the work they do to make sure Vagsha works as efficiently as it does. And as a culinary arts student, it would be remiss to not mention the kitchen attendants and my dear lovely akkas, who have always made us feel at home. To the new student council members of 2020-2021, congratulations. You have been given a post that holds a lot of responsibility, and we have faith that you will do it with diligence. Because if not, as Chef Vasantan always says, God will only punish you. Having worked with most of you, being witness to your work ethic, I am extremely excited to see the new ideas you bring to reality, and I wish you good luck in your endeavors. As for those who did not win, your time to shine will come soon. Don't give up. This is a small speed breaker to a life full of amazing opportunities. To the students, to all the students, some of us may not have gotten off on the right foot. We may not have seen eye to eye at various instances, but I look forward to working with you in the future. These times are tough, and I urge you to be a lot kinder to your friends, your council members, your faculty, and especially yourself. Use this time to support and uplift each other. Just like the hero of our generation once said, Troy Bolton once wisely said, "We're all in this together." Stay safe, stay at home. Thank you.
Thank you, Shruti. Now it's time to hear our vice presidents, beginning with Mr. Asif of BHM.
Thank you so much, Srilata ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. I believe that there are no words which can adequately express how much of an honor and privilege it has been to have served my college, and a greater pleasure to advocate the needs for the students. I wish each and every student, staff, and faculty member a productive and successful future ahead. As always, remain active, don't hesitate to make mistakes, and remember that your competition is with yourself and not with others. I wish the new student council all the very best. I know you will continue to work for the needs of the students. At last, to those who are graduating with me, may commencement be the first of many steps on your professional journey and to your career and further to your academic goals. I'll miss you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Asif. May I invite Vaishak, Vice President, Baka Council. Can't hear you, Vaishak.
Unmute, unmute.
Good afternoon, respected Principal Chef Thiru, Vice Principal Rajshekhar sir, and all my dear faculties and my dear friends. Words would fall short if I would say how much grateful I am to be here right now to talk to all of you as a former Vice President of Department of Culinary Arts. And year back, I still remember being on the other side. I was very much nervous and I was excited as well to the experience, the roller coaster ride I was going to have. But I must say, I was honored to be elected as your Vice President and have worked with you to bring some changes in you. And it has been an absolute roller coaster, yet a fun ride. And from grooming chefs to organizing events. To be honest, when I joined Vaksha, I was a clueless kid. Was very much, was an introvert, was scared to talk to people, who was scared to make mistakes. But I was very much honored to be a part of student council twice in 3 years of my Vaksha chapter. So things actually took a turn when I was selected as a course representative in my first year. I had to come out of my comfort zone. I had to talk to people. I had to open up myself. I had to face my fears. And I actually realized one thing, that making mistakes is a very normal thing, but the outcome should be you should learn from your mistakes and try not to repeat it. And that is something I learned a lot in last 3 years, and I would carry that with me for my entire life. And I've become a person who can talk to people with no fear, and that is just because of me coming out of my comfort zone and being a part of the council. And I would like to quote something at this point, that is, no one can play a symphony by one person. It takes the orchestra to play it. This was quoted by H.E. Lecoq. Why I chose this quote is because I was very fortunate enough to work with some of the passionate and dedicated people of my college, and they have been an absolute gem in the Student Council, and Student Council 2019-2020 has worked really hard to make your college life a bit more better, and they have worked enough to, for a smooth running of the events and everything, like whatever it may be. And if I don't mention our dear faculties, it will be a big mistake. And I would like to thank all the faculties for not making us feel that we were away from home. And rather than quoting the name faculties, I would call them as our best friends, because at any point of time, if you want to see anything, they were always, that doors are always open for us. So a big thank you to all of you for making our Vaksha life to an amazing one. And I would like to say thank you to all my non-teaching faculty and non-teaching staff and all Akkas and Nannas that Shruti mentioned for making our practical very much easier and a fun one. And to all my fellow students, this is a very unfortunate time for all of us. We are going through a very, very tough time to be, support each other and make our lives better. And last but not least, to the newly elected Student Council, you have been given great responsibilities, and I'm sure that you will fulfill it with, lots of enthusiasm and ethics. And so thank you so much once again for having me here to talk to all of you as a former Vice President. Stay safe and have a great journey. All the best. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Vaishak. The Student Council of 2019 have collated their cherished moments at Waksha in the form of a video. I request Ms. Preetika to play the video. Thank you, Preetika and team, for walking down the memory lane for us. I would like to invite our principal, Chef Thiru, to give his parting message to the outgoing student council members. Over to you, Chef.
Thank you, ma'am. Good evening, students. We hope you and your family are safe and well. And we are extremely proud of all that hard work and dedication you have put forth over the course of your study at Waksha. Each of you should be very proud, not just of your professional and personal achievement, but also your flexibility, resilience and determination in shifting to online learning to complete your degrees in the past semester. And I sincerely commend that Student Council 2020 for adapting so quickly in the face of unexpected challenges and unprecedented circumstance. And we cannot thank you enough for your support. And as we navigate through, it is a tough time together. Throughout your tenure as a council members, the strong work ethic, resourcefulness and creativity of each of you have demonstrated played a key role in your success. And I'm confident that these attributes will continue to serve you well throughout your professional careers. While in the past few months, much has changed in our world over the due to this COVID-19. I take great comfort knowing that our next generation of problem solvers and innovators are well prepared to help us overcome the challenges of both today and tomorrow, and to find solutions that will transform our world for better. Wish this short message, and I take this opportunity, my sincere gratitude and appreciation to each and every student council member and the entire graduating batch of 2020 class of 2020 for supporting us for this institute growth. And I'm sure that its world is open to you now, and I'm sure that we are going to emerge strong, and then you're going to come and tell your success story in future. And once again, thank you on behalf of my team. I would like to thank you, each and every one of you, for your support, and wish you all the best, and I'll see you soon. And anyway, this convocation also going to be virtual, but nevertheless, and we have certain plans, and nothing to worry. We will make sure that you will come here and then you will enjoy, and you will not miss out any funds, and we miss you. And thank you very much once again. Over to you, Srilata.
Yes, thank you, Chef, for acknowledging their hard work during their tenure here. Election to the Student Council was conducted on 21st August 2020. This year, nominations were opened up for all students who satisfied the eligibility criteria laid down instead of the top 20 like earlier years. The students who sent their candidature were scrutinized by a committee comprising of the student's mentor, senior faculty members, and the principal. The election was conducted online and measures were taken to ensure that no cross-voting, double voting took place. Such votes were considered as invalid votes. This time, new posts, namely club secretary and food and beverage services in charge, were introduced. Subsequently, in the last week of August 2020, other council members, namely house captain, captain, vice captain, and course representatives were elected. This year, faculty members too voted to elect the representatives of the college. The installation ceremony is a much awaited one at Waksha, but the novel coronavirus has shattered all our plans and we have to opt for platforms and techniques which have not been very popular earlier. We are fighting to survive the crisis by digitizing the challenges and wash away the threat of the pandemic. Hence, we are doing the installation ceremony in the online mode today. We begin with the Student Council installation ceremony now.
We, the Student Council of the Welcome Group Graduate School of Hotel Administration, proudly comprising of
I, Nishchal Hebbar, President, BHM.
Muskan Singla, Vice President, BHM.
Siddhi Maharishi, Cultural Secretary, BHM.
Vedant Maheshwari, Sports Secretary, BHM.
Bhavna Mishra, Sports Secretary, BHM.
Rajat Jay Prakash Halve, Culinary Services in Charge, BHM.
Ananya Gupta, Club Secretary, BHM.
Vrinda Bhatt, F&B Services in Charge, BHM.
Ahana Vimhani, Secretary, BHM.
Simraningra, President, Baka.
Nishan Nikam, Vice President, Baka.
Aditi J. Rao, Cultural Secretary, Baka.
Prithvi Suvarna, Sports Secretary, Baka.
Pearl Boga, Sports Secretary, Baka.
Tanmayi, Culinary Services in Charge, Baka.
Sahaj Nagpal, Club Secretary, Baka.
Dharini Ji, Secretary, Baka.
Siri Hegde, Captain of the Shivaji House.
Bhavik Shah, Shivaji House, Vice Captain.
Tanish Chawla, Captain, Tipu House.
Sagarika Joshi, Vice Captain, Tipu House.
Ankita Ashok, Captain, Pratap House.
Sana Matai, Vice Captain, Pratap House.
Krishna Rajesh, Captain, Ranjit House.
Nand Kishore Nair, Vice Captain, Ranjit House.
Vishal Konde, 32nd Course Representative.
Suraksha Shetty, BHM 33rd Course Representative.
Chirag Kriplani, BHM 34th Course Representative.
Shraddha Shivagurunathan, BHM 35th Course Representative.
Raghavi Bajaj, Baka 8th Course Representative.
Aravind J. Raghavan, Baka 9th Course Representative.
Suchrita, Baka 10th Course Representative.
Kedarnath Angadi, MSc HTM 12th Course Representative.
Shreya Majumdar, MSc Dan 10th Course Representative.
We solemnly promise that we will always be responsible members of the College Student Council. We promise to devote ourselves to the betterment of the college and the student community. We will abide by and ensure that all college rules, regulations, and etiquette are followed in intent and spirit, and carry out our duties to the best of our ability, without fear or favor. We will endeavor to be role models to our fellow students, and we will uphold the honor and dignity of Waksha always and every time.
I request our Principal Chef Thiru to give his message to the members of the Student Council.
Once again, good evening, dear Student Council 2020, all the members. Welcome to Student Council installation. First and foremost, congratulations to all the Student Council members for the academic year 2021. Ability to change and adapt is the most important skill every individual must learn. and one must prepare to embrace change. My team and I practiced this invaluable lessons in the past 5 months since COVID-19 pandemic disrupted our normal workflow. 2020 Student Council installation is unique as it is for the first time, first ever we have decided to go ahead with the virtual installation. And this year we have included a new portfolio for the Student Council, and for the first time faculty members have taken part in the council election. The main goal of the Student Council is to open up the lines of communication between the students and the team workshop. This council support graduate students, leaders eager to bring change and creating a suitable environment to foster student learning. I appreciate the students who have displayed leadership, engaged in active listening and worked diligently to be a voice for other students and create positive change, workshops, culture and students' experience. I foresee immense growth for Waksha Student Council with an interconnected network of students, faculty and alumni connecting with each other to achieve each other's goal. As a future leaders of the industry, I want Council to set certain agenda for the upcoming years, and it's not only talking about what is we need to do academic related or any issues. Besides that, I would expect Student Council, number one is that to increase green cover in Manipal. Council shall target to plant a minimum of 50 sampling in and around Manipal, and this has to continue, and the next council will maintain, and then it's so on so forth. The people, whatever activity which we do, it has to pass on to your juniors. And the next one is to create awareness of local culture and tourist destination and cuisine through various digital platforms. You know that this COVID-19, tourism and hospitality industry is one of the worst affected industry. Now, you must have attended several, webinars, as well as you must have read articles, and we need to boost domestic tourism. We need to survive and revive. So, which you can play a vital role in that process. Then we've been doing some school activity, but I want the council members to structure, and we need to adapt one school, and we need to take care of that particular school which is in and around in Manipal. And though this semester which we are started with virtual, but I'm sure with talented pool of my student community, I've been asking almost close to 15 years to designate Waksha College song. That's still pending, and I would request the council members to do it at the earliest. And something which I would like to start something new program called council mentorship program. It's not it's a personal counseling. It should be an academic mentorship program where the top students can guide them, the weaker students. So that should be part of your agenda. Then something which we need to capitalize, being in hospitality industry, travel and hospitality and culinary industry, and with the diversity student from all over India as well as the different parts of the world, I think I would urge Student Council to start a language cafe, which is apart from our regular academic session, and it could be a regional language, or it could be a foreign language. Students who are interested and who are good, they can train their own student community, which we need to start. Next one is stretch and strengthen, which is I'm giving a target to the sports council, which they have to make sure that whether we are doing virtual learning or when you come to physical campus, you need to work out certain plans to start something which related to physical fitness. Next, talking about Waksha, we should start doing fundraising event I wanted to generate, the fundraising event is for a noble, it's not meant especially for a noble cause. I think in the past so many years, when we open our admissions, many of the underprivileged students who are seeking admission in college, and due to their financial background, they are not unable to take admissions. I think we need to create a student council corpus fund, which mainly meant for underprivileged students who can come and we can support them. So there are a lot of things to discuss on this. We will take it forward when you all when we meet on a monthly meeting. So this is what the agenda which I would like to set for this academic year 2020 and 2021. I would like to tell you all this, in the last 2 years, your institute has undertaken various new initiatives for the betterment of, for focusing on only for students. We have launched outcome-based curriculum, then industry academia interaction session, hotel affiliation lecture series, alumni mentorship program, alumni virtual lecture series, and it was the first time, after 33 years, the scholarship from 4.25 lakhs to 10 lakhs, it has been increased, ITC scholarship particularly, and introduced ITC chairman's gold medal for best graduating students and the academic toppers, and we have reintroduced formal ball and mentor-mentee dinner, something which we started. It's a new, it's all the new initiative, whatever I'm talking about, except the formal ball, and outstanding students felicitation program, which is also your institute has initiated. We have received accreditation. Within the 2 years, we received accreditation, 2 national and 1 international accreditation. That is, one is Indian Federation of Culinary Association, and another one is World Association of Chef Societies, and India International Skill Center. So it's a massive task. Within 2 years, your institute has achieved. And next, we have conducted first time ever alumni meet, in the different cities. Because this 2020 we could not do it, and 2019 we did in 3 different cities. We got overwhelming response, and I'm sure that it is going to continue in future. And introduced Silver Jubilee Alumni Meet in 2020, the first time, 7th course, which they came in, you all witnessed in February. It was, it was a wonderful moment for, college, and when our alumni, when they're coming back to their alma mater. Then we started a commercial student-run restaurant operation, as well as pastry. Then we launched a Vaksha Entrepreneurial Development Cell, introduced Student Welfare Office, which is after 34 years, and introduced FAST program, which is to campus to corporate program, which you to prepare for the placements. And we have introduced TIPS programs, the first time TIPS program. It is teachers, industry, parents, students interaction, which we have introduced last academic year. To make it more transparent, course committee meeting, we have changed the format. All this your institute has taken in the past 2 years. These are the changes your institute brought because of focusing on the student-centric learning. And the way forward, which is for the junior batches and as well as the current student council, we need to sustain a national ranking, and also to be in top 20 hotel school in the world. Now currently we are 26th. Let us keep target for next 2 years, and the launch of food truck, which will be rolled out very soon. And next year we need to roll out NEP, that is new education policy based curriculum, and for all the UG and PG programs, and we should do it. And increasing endowment awards from the industry partners. Your institute is trying hard to get maximum endowment awards so that the deserving student will get benefit out of it. And attracting alumni endowment awards, it's on the process, it's ongoing process. Definitely, all our alumni are willing to support. We are trying our level best and adding more meaningful international collaborations. We are targeting to collaborate with the top 10 hotel school in the world, where you can go ahead with do your semester abroad program, or you can do 1 year semester abroad plus internship. You can do it. We are working on it. And next, through Vaksha Entrepreneurial Development Cell, we would like to create lots of business plan and to attract investor for the startup. So that is one of our future plans. And dear students, we have learned some of the biggest lessons in our life during this period, and we have emerged stronger than ever as we, as a first stepping stone in this crisis. And I should appreciate you all have gotten used to the virtual classes and also flexible in your life. And I appreciate every one of you for this. As we know, the future will be blended learning, and where technology will come to play a vital role. And each one of you are highly talented and capable. I'm sure with your passion and commitment, and you will be able to achieve your goals. And ladies and gentlemen, with these few words, I wish once again all of you best luck and wonderful year ahead. And thanking you. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Chef, for reminding them as to how important it is to adapt to change and focus on their goals. You have also listed down certain tasks to be taken up as a member of the Student Council. Moving on, I now request President of the Student Council from BHM, Mr. Nischal Hebbar, to deliver his message to the student community. Over to you, Nischal.
Thank you, Srilata ma'am. Good afternoon, respected principal, vice principal, faculty, newly elected student council, and all my dear friends. It's with ultimate gratitude that I, Nischal Hebbar, would like to thank each and every one of you for all the love and support you have given me throughout my journey at Vaksha. Thank you for electing me yet again to represent you. I would also like to thank our principal, Chef Therugnana Sambantam, and our entire faculty team for believing in me and providing me with this opportunity. I'm honored to embark on this new journey to give my best to uphold the interest of student community. I still remember my first time in student council with Vaishak. We both were selected as the course representatives for BHM and BACA. We were very new to the entire system, but within just a matter of few days, we all became a very close family. If there's something I've learned in the past few years, is how each one of you is different and how every day is a new learning experience at Vaksha. To all my friends out there, I would like to say time in Vaksha is not only about academics and co-curricular activities, but it is also about unity, teamwork, empathy, social bonding, and friendship. The year 2020 did not quite turn out like how we expected it to be. It feels just like yesterday we were all busy working for events, running around to make everything perfect. With the complete transition to a virtual world, the past few months have been very difficult for all of us. Let us, together, take this as an opportunity to do something which we have never done before. As your newly elected Student Council President, my team and I would work relentlessly to ensure we all have a wonderful year ahead. I would like to conclude by saying this. Life is never intended to be simple. It's a steady battle with outrageous lows and extraordinary highs. Keep in mind how low you fall, how deep the trouble is. You always have to boost up the confidence and keep going. Thank you.
Thank you, Nischal. I would like to invite Simran Dhingra, President, Vaca Student Council, to share her thoughts.
Thank you so much, Srilata ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone, respected principal, vice principal, faculty, and my dear friends. Honored to have been elected as the Student Council President, I, Simran Dhingra, would like to thank my respected faculty for giving me this opportunity to stand here as the Student Council President, and also my dear friends for believing in me. I am humbled by your faith and I will try my best to perform all my duties with transparency and meet your expectations. I would like to use this opportunity to thank everyone who has supported me through the last 2 years at Vaksha. Having come from a city far away from Manipal, I was skeptical about if I would find friends and mentors who can inspire me and uplift me to become a better version of myself. But I lacked much in confidence and this led to underestimate my potential. Although everyone at Vaksha is so supportive and helpful, and it eventually became like a family to me. The values of leadership, respect with dignity, self-growth, while inspiring each other to encourage and participate, and willingness to delve into newer responsibilities, is something that Vaksha has always taught and tried to ingrain in us as we take root to this esteemed college. This has been enlightened by the way our alumni and seniors have enlightened the path for us. As student council, we would take it as our duty and responsibility to take the legacy ahead. Our faculty, our role models, take great pains to make our college a better institution for all of us, even in such trying times. They too are facing a lot of roadblocks, but they never make excuses, working hard every day to provide us with knowledge. Hence, it becomes our moral obligation to give back to a place that has not only taught us about hospitality industry, but has also taught us about how to be a better person, a person with goals striving hard to achieve them. I would like to thank all my non-teaching staff who always goes out of their reach to ensure the smooth functioning of our college. I would further like to congratulate the entire student council body present here, who according to me is the best in their respective fields. As individuals, our greatest competition is ourselves. So on behalf of the entire student council body, I urge you to challenge yourself into becoming the best version of you, a better one with each passing day. I hope to see more of you exploring more avenues and unlocking your potentials, encouraging and supporting your friends to do the same. So together, let's work on building each other and growing ourselves, thus excelling as the extended Vaksha family. Thank you. Stay safe.
Thank you, Simran. During this pandemic, Vaksha has conducted several activities through online mode. One such activity was the World Youth Skills Day, which was totally handled by the students. I request Ms. Pritika Karnik to inform us about this event and the various competitions held. Over to you, Pritika.
Thank you, Srilata ma'am. Just getting the presentation on. On the 26th of July 2020, we had an opportunity to host our very first fully online event called the World Youth Skills Day. The World Youth Skills Day is a designated day by the United Nations which aims to generate the importance of technical, vocational education and training and the development of skills relevant to both local and global economies that can be provided by the youth and leaders of tomorrow. Now, keeping this thought process in mind, we wanted to bring to the students a way to sharpen their skills at home and to improve their competitive edge to prepare to be pioneers of the hospitality industry. Hence, we chose the theme Hospitality at Home. Firstly, I'd like to thank the core team, Nishchal, Ananya, and Sadhika, for immediately taking charge and helping organize the whole event in such a short period of time. I'd like to take this time to thank our very artistic and passionate creative team, Ahana, Muskan, Pooja, Anandita, and Nishant. You five have really put in the time to make the event so much more engaging online. And also a special mention for Ahana for creating an excellent handbook, which made it so easy for the students and teachers to understand each event and how to go about it. Now coming to the main events and their respective heads. The first event we had was called Hospitrivia. This is a fun little quiz on hospitality, random trivia, and some general knowledge as well, and it was held on an online platform called Kahoot. Thank you, Deepthi, for putting in the time to create a wonderful and engaging quiz and perfecting it with multiple trial runs on Teams. We have Crack the Deal. This is where students at random were given crazy situations like selling a room where someone had been murdered, or selling vegan food to non-vegetarians, or selling a spa in the lobby package. And this was with very less time to prepare. Thank you so much, Chirag and Vishal, for thinking of these tricky situations and really testing our students' creativity. Next, we had Hungry Lens, a food photography competition in which students had to capture comfort food, keeping with the theme of hospitality at home. Thank you, Kedarnath and Melroy, for your valuable inputs and expertise in the field. Up next, we had one of the most difficult events to have ever been pulled off remotely, which was Think Inside the Box. This was a 2-round event which took place over 5 days. Round 1 consisted of revealing one list of ingredients and students submitting an innovative recipe. 20 students were then selected from this initial round to go to the next round, where they were presented with mystery ingredients, which they had to expertly incorporate in the already submitted recipes. I'd like to thank Shivangi, Rajat, Tanmay, and Sadika for so efficiently getting past all the hurdles that came with this event and for making it an absolute success. Second to last, we have Cover It Up, where the students had to come up with an innovative cover setup in their homes along with a themed menu. Thank you, Simran and Dharini, for your valuable inputs and time towards making this event a success. Last but not the least, we had the most exciting event, In It to Win It, our very own talent show. Thank you, Ahana and Muskan, for making this event so exciting and for sitting through hours of videos to help our judges come to a decision. I would also like to thank all the teachers that helped judge Hungry Lens, Crack the Deal, Think Inside the Box, and In It to Win It. I would also like to thank all the students who participated in these events. Without your time and effort, this event wouldn't have been what it was. Now that we know the events a little better, it's time to see the winners. In our first event, Hospitrivia, in third place, we have Soumyan N from 9th course Baka. In second place, we have Lavanya Raja from 32nd course BHM. And in first place, we have Aditya Karnik from 9th course Baka. Up next, in our Crack the Deal event, in third place, we have Bhaktawar Lari from 32nd course BHM. In second place, we have Akash Bakshi from 34th course BHM. And in first place, we have Anushka Saha from 7th course Baka. Moving on to the photography competition Hungry Lens. In third place, we have 2 winners, Pankaj Gavne from 8th course Baka and Adyayan Sahai from 9th course Baka. In second place, we have 3 winners, Avni Murli Narayan from 32nd course BHM, Lavanya Raja from 32nd course BHM, and Suryansh Kanwar from 33rd course BHM. And in first place, we have Shone Shaji John from 8th course Baka for this beautiful clip. Moving on to Think Inside the Box, Hot Kitchen. In third place, we have Subhash Ulal from 8th course Baka for his Kasundi Paneer Biryani Gato. In second place, we have Krishna Sharma from 8th course Baka for his mysterious scrumptious chicken. And in first place, we have Mrudul Mohan from 9th course Baka for his prawn kazukatti with tahini hollandaise. For Think Inside the Box Bakery, in third place, we have Rick Phillip from 9th course Baka for his rosemary cake. In second place, we have Naitik Sevak from 9th course Baka for his immunity macaroons. And in first place, we have Ratish Bala from 8th course Baka for his soy pudding. For the Cover It Up event, in third place, we have Prashik Krishnan from 8th course Baka for this setup. In second place, we have Neil Patel from 9th course Baka for the sit-down setup. And in first place, we have Kavya Kotikal from 32nd course BHM for this beautiful setup. And last but not the least, for our very own talent show In It to Win It, in third place, we have Neha Chakola from 32nd course BHM. In second place, we have Ria Anil from 32nd course BHM. And in first place, we have Rick Phillip from 9th course BHM. Now, this event was head-to-head between the courses. So in our overall championships, we have in first place 9th course Baka. Congratulations. In second place, we have 32nd course BHM, and in third place, we have 8th course Baka. All the certificates for the winners, core members, and participants will be emailed individually. I would like to thank all the students who helped organize this event once again, as it is because of your time and dedication that we could make our very first entirely online event a possibility and a success. Thank you for proving to be the best team. I request Srilata ma'am to kindly take over.
I now invite Mr. Prithvi Roy to give us information.
Before that, I would like to, thank you, Pritika, for, such a wonderful presentation. And I would like to thank once again for all student council member of 2020, which you have put lots of hard work. I given only 15 days time to organize this, not even 15 days, lesser than that. And you all coordinated smoothly. And thank you very much. And it's amazing work, and it is, the creativity and the way which you all coordinated, it's wonderful. Thank you, Pratika.
Thank you.
Entire team, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Chef. May I invite Prithvi Roy to give us information on Euphoria, another event conducted at Waksha. Over to you, Prithvi.
Certainly, ma'am. Thank you so much. And is my PPT visible so that we can start?
Yes, Prithvi, it's visible.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. So like Pritika mentioned that participation is everything, so do this Euphoria Club as well. And Euphoria event is, the main idea behind of this event is to invite first years. That I'm very excited to announce that we have majority of first years here. They participated. And moreover, it's all about learning. Okay, it is not about that winning only that we need to carry in our minds. It's all about learning. So participation, thank you for that. And it's on the 23rd of August 2020. The students of 34th course, especially, I need to mention them because they conducted an online accommodation operation event called Euphoria. This one-day phenomena consisted of various front office and housekeeping events, which was attended by over 170 students. So applause to everyone. This online event was one of its kind event, which was thoroughly enjoyed by students and faculty alike. So I would like to thank again all the faculties who gave us time, and after 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, they have opened their cameras and they were invited for judging students. We hope to conduct more events despite we are in lockdown or we are not coming to college. That doesn't mean that we will not do any events. Yes, we will do. Studies are also important, so do these activities, right? So again, congratulations to all the participants and the winners, and you all are winners from my point of view, and in fact all faculties will also tell you the same. So first event was Mega Minds. I'll just give a brief about what is Mega Minds. As the name suggests, it's an online quiz that was in your skills as well. That is your how to guess logos, taglines, and all the quiz in terms of travel and tourism. So first we have Mr. Suprab. Congratulations. Second, Mr. Anurag from 34th course. They are both from 34th course. And third is Siddhant R, 32nd course. So here are your certificates. Thank you so much, Suprab, Anurag, and Siddhant for your active participation and winning this competition, right? Second, we have Around the Gram. As the name suggests, Gram means Instagram here, okay? In which we had a lot of puzzles and there was a lot of pictures that these 34th course, they have done something. I will tell you about that. And Chirag also will tell you how they have come up with this particular event. Okay, so for example, if I'll give you 4 images, in that images, you need to guess what is that images. Okay, it is maybe front office concierge. So first is Siddhant R, again 32nd course. Second is Sabhya K 10th course Baka, and Soumya M 9th course Baka. So as you can see, there are a lot of participation from first years.
This is Sabya Cole, second prize, and third is Soumya Nin. Congratulations to you. And now we have flipped the switch. Again, this is very interesting and my personal favorite, because in this event, student designed such a way that you will be giving some personalities. In that personality, you need to convince hotel manager that why you want that last room. So suppose you are a Donald Trump or maybe you're Narendra Modi. Why should you get that particular room? Because of course you are a personality, but you need to impress us. So congratulations, Shivalika, 34th course. Second is S. Shruti, 35th course, and Khushi, 35th course. So here are two winners are from first year. So congratulations. And last but not the least, in fluorescence, it is about housekeeping event where students were given a theme, that is a jungle theme, in which they need to make things from their home items only, from scratch. Maybe towel art they can do. We have not set them to go out because of this pandemic, but I will show you the glimpse how much they have put their efforts. So applause to everyone. So Manraj S, 35th course, congratulations again, first year. Second is Jaita, 34th course, second year. And Ritika is 10th course, Baka, first year. Congratulations, Manraj, Jaita, and Ritika Shah. And we also congratulate 34th course for winning this battle of the batches, as the title itself says. So congratulations. I will make sure we will give you some gift once we'll come back here physically. And I'm not promising, I'll just check with Chef Thu and definitely will get back to you. Okay. Second is 35th course. Second prize, Battle of the Batches. So this is all about teamwork, and this is why we are going to give you prize, because that shows how how to show teamwork. And last but not the least, 10th course, Baka, they are third and they are first years here, and they have given so much of their efforts. Thank you so much. So there are some glimpses here of the event. So this is the flip the switch, in which I would like to thank Rahul sir, Bhattacharya sir, and Keith sir for giving us their time and to judge people, students. Second is around the gram. It is like I told you that there will be 4 images you need to guess. So I hope you guys can guess. It's easy. It's concierge, right? But you need to DM that particular word to the team, and then they will scrutinize it. This is inflorescence, like I said. So you can see here, I don't know, from scratch only that particular student have made every single thing. See, they're so beautiful. And this is towel art. So there are a lot of towels here, but yes, they have made a very good jungle, because I said it's a jungle theme. So it's a jungle theme, yes. And last but not the least, this is again art. Okay. And this is the 34th course team, and some of the seniors as well. So I would like to call Chirag Kriplani here. He will tell you about how they come up with this particular event. And over to you, Chirag, because I will not take much time here.
A very good afternoon to everybody. My name is Chirag Kriplani from the 34th course. And I just want to express my gratitude to everybody who took part in this event, from the faculty who helped us, to the students who took part, to the organizing committee. Everything went so smoothly, and it would not have been possible without even one of you all contributing to this event. So a huge thank you to everybody for making this a big success. Now, when me and my friends were chalking out ideas for this event, we never really thought that we would get 170 plus participants, because it was planned in a relatively short period of time. We were targeting maybe like 120 participants, but to go above and beyond that, we are just thrilled. And from the bottom of our heart, we would like to thank everybody for showing up and coming out and just being a part of this, because it was super fun that whole day of the event. We all, the organizing committee, the faculty, everybody thoroughly enjoyed every moment of it. And this would not have been possible without the constant support and guidance of our principal, Chef Thiru, and our vice principal, Mr. P. Rajshekhar. The heads of departments, Mr. Bhattacharya and Mr. Keith, continuously provided us support and gave us the green light to go ahead with all of the activities planned. Our team of faculty, Mr. Rahul, Ms. Anusha, Mr. Abhijit, and Mr. Prithvi Roy, helped us not only just to judge the events, but even, like Sir mentioned, they went beyond college hours to help us out with the rubrics and the parameters to judge people. And they were just an invaluable part of why Euphoria was such a big success. Moving on, I would like to begin by thanking our seniors Muskan and Ahana, because this was, like Sir mentioned, the first time that an event was being handled completely by second years. And at that time we were in first year, in fact. So for seniors like Muskan and Ahana to come up and take their time out and explain to us how things work, I have huge gratitude towards the both of you for helping us out with this event. Next, the team of Inflorescence, Shireen and Gauri, the team of Flip the Switch headed by Priyanka, Sharvari, Yatin and Akash, the team of Mega Minds headed by Shraddha, Ankit, Madhav and Manumay, the Around the Gram team headed by Darya, Aranima and Samudranil, and last but definitely not the least, are two amazing women behind the social media presence of Euphoria, Palak and Khushi. If you guys go to our page, Students of Vaksha, and check out the posts that we had, everything was creative and everything had a theme, and it was due to these two women who came up with all of the ideas from scratch. So a big thank you to the entire team for making this event a success. And like Priti sir mentioned, that winning or losing is secondary, but the journey is more important than the destination. And everybody's participation meant the world to us. And we really look forward to meeting all of y'all in Manipal, hopefully, but also in future competitions that we will hold. Thank you once again to all the participants.
Thank you, Chirag. And sorry, ma'am, I'll just take one more minute. I just want to urge everyone again, please do participate, because we are having a lot of competitions lined up for you. Be it housekeeping, front office, sales and marketing, whatever you will give us name, we will definitely have an event. And I would like to take feedback from you. Maybe you can give us some some events that we want to do this and that. So we will definitely inculcating in all the future events. So thank you so much again. Thank you, Chef Thiru and Vice Principal sir, for giving us opportunity.
Thank you to Prithvi, and then congratulations to all the winners and as well as those who participated. And I'm very happy to know that 170 students took part in this event. And students, you all know that we have revamped certain clubs to make it more meaningful and active. So on that note, I appreciate Accommodation Operation Club, the first club to initiate certain activities, and I think it went smooth because of your participation and your support. This is what we want in future as well, and then we be very happy to extend all support and whatever competition which respective other clubs also I expect them to do like this. And the club secretary, please note down all these events totally managed by when 34th course whenever in first year, and I appreciate that when they went and took help from the senior batches, and they are also willing to support. It's a nice collaborative effort. This is how you need to work in industry. And thank you once again all my colleagues and the students for putting up this wonderful event. Thank you. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Chef. We have come to the end of this ceremony and would like to propose the vote of thanks. I consider it as my privilege to propose vote of thanks on this occasion. I sincerely appreciate and thank the council members of 2019 for attending in good strength today and extending their wholehearted help in compiling the videos. A special thanks to Ayan for compiling the video of installation. I hope you are there, Ayan. I congratulate the student council members of 2020 and hopeful that you will deliver your duties with utmost respect to the post you are handling. I thank our principal, Chef Thiru, for constantly motivating us, the students, teaching and non-teaching staff, thereby ensuring that we bring out the best in us. I must mention our deep sense of appreciation to our technical experts, Mr. Raghavendra and Mr. Prithvi Roy, in ensuring that this program went off smoothly. I would be failing in my duty if I don't give due credits to the help extended to us by the academic staff of both BACA and BHM and secretary to the principal. I would like to thank our vice principal, my colleagues who have attended this program today and for helping me in conducting the student council elections. Last but not the least, I acknowledge and appreciate the students who have witnessed the ceremony today. Dear students, I would like to conclude by quoting Swami Vivekananda, "See for the highest, aim at the highest, and you shall reach the highest." Jai Hind.
Thank you to you, ma'am, for coordinating election, and you have done now. Assembly is formed now. Now, only thing we need to starting from election to council installation, everything is done. And thank you very much. Thank you to you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Right.
I think Raghavendra, Prithvi, you can stop the live, and now we need to take photographs as Chef had instructed. Yeah.
Okay.
Raghavendra?